are you all today? Hope you are all doing good. Okay children, I hope you are staying at home inside your house and taking good care of yourself. You are eating properly, that is homemade food. You are doing some simple exercises. You are helping your parents, and of course you are studying. Okay children, that's great. Okay children, today we are going to do day 13. We are going to do day 13 of the month book 2. Okay children, when we come to the page, that is on day 13, what we have the color page. We have to do the color thing activity. That is, we have to color the sources of water. Here are the two sources of water, that is a pond and a rain. So when you color the pond, now this is water. Inside you can see the lotus flowers, and these are the lotus leaf. So you color these leaves green, color the lotus pink. Now here also you can color it green, or you can color, if you are just putting as a land, then you color it brown. So you have to color this. Now when you are doing this activity, my dear children, there are the small pictures, so you have to color it very neatly, because the pictures are very small now, so you have to be careful that the color does not go out. Now here is the picture of a rain. So these are the clouds and these are the raindrops. So raindrops would be the sky blue color. Clouds, you can color it blue, or you can color it grey and blue. Okay children, now moving on to the next page. Here again is one more source of water, that is well. So the well, you have to color it brown. The trees, there are green. So today in this session you have to have 3 coloring pictures. Okay, so you have to color 3 pictures. They are all sources of water, because water is a very important thing of our life. Okay children, now here you have a worksheet page of H. That is a worksheet page of H. So we have already learned the letter H. One more time we are going to do the formation of H, and before that we will say the phonic sound. We'll do one more time the phonic sound of H, that is H. H. H says H. Okay children, now I am first going to write the capital H, that is the 2 standing line, and in between is a slipping line. The slipping line should go over the blue line. Okay children, while you are writing the letters, children, you have to be very careful when you are making a standing line. The standing line should go straight. It should go straight. The standing line should go straight. So this is the H. Now when we write the small h, again it is a standing line, and then you have to take a curve and make another small standing line between the blue lines. Standing line. Here you take a little curve, then come down. That is here to, or we can say that we are making a 7 also. We are joining a 7 with the 1. Okay, so this is the formation of letter H. Now, just for a revision part, I am just going to match letter with the picture. So, what you have to do, here this side I have written the letters, and here I have drawn the objects. Now, what we will do, we have to say that with the letter A, which picture will start, which is the picture that will start with the letter A. So here you have to find first. So what is that? A for aeroplane. So you can see the picture of aeroplane. So I am just matching it. Then is the letter B. So now which is the picture that will start with the letter B? So you have to just first find it out. Then here is the ball. So B for ball. Now is C. C for what will be the picture? You just need to find. So you should know the name of this picture. So this is a cake. So C for cake. So I'm just going right down. Then D. So D for duck. D for duck. E. E for eye. E for eye. F. F for fish. F for fish. G. G for grapes. G for grapes. And H. H for house. This is not there in the book, children, but just for a revision, I have just written the letters and I have drawn the objects that starts with these letters. So you have to match it. So you can practice the same at home also with the help of your mama. Okay, children. Now I have made some flashcards. So we can just join our flashcards in a pair. That is with the mummy and the baby letter. So what? Now this is the mummy letter A. So now we will find where is the baby letter A. Just find here. Now the capital letter or the mummy letters are in the green and the baby letters are in the pink. So now this is the mummy letter A. So where is the baby letter A? Because now baby A is going to mama. Yes, and now mummy and baby A are here. Now this is the mummy letter B. So where is the baby B? You need to find here. Where is the baby B? Is this the baby B or this? This one is the baby B. So now the baby B is also moving and going to the mummy. Going to be with mummy. So that is the mummy and the baby letter B. Now the mummy letter C. Where is the baby letter C? So this is the baby letter C. Oh, baby letter C is also gone to mama. Mama letter C. Okay, now this is the mummy letter D. So where is the baby letter D? You need to find here. So this is the mummy letter D. Yes. So we are making the pair of mummy and the baby letters. Now is the turn of mummy letter E. So mummy letter E is also finding her baby. Where is the baby letter E? This one is the baby letter E. So baby E also went to mama. Now this is the mummy letter F. And mummy letter F is also looking out for the baby letter F. So this is the baby letter F. It came here walking, running to the mummy. So these are the mummy baby letter F. So now is the mummy letter G's turn. So where is the baby G? This is the baby G. Yes, so mummy and the baby G. And now this is the mummy letter H. And this is the baby letter H. Because till today we have done the H alphabet. So this is the mummy letter. These are the mummy and the baby letters. Okay, children. So you can also in the same way you can make a flashcard and you can play with your mummy. Okay, children. Now here when we come back to the book, you have 3 pictures of coloring. That is, you have to color the pond, rain, and well. These are the sources of water. Then you have to write the letter H. And again when you turn the page, again there is one more practice worksheet page of H. Okay, children. So for the day 13, this is the word what we are doing. Okay, children, I hope you enjoy it. Bye bye and take care.